Think of programming languages as different types of cars. Each car has a purpose. Some cars are easy to drive. Some cars are built for speed. Others are tough and can handle heavy loads. Programming languages are similar. Some are simple to learn and use, like a family car. Others are more complex and powerful, like a race car or a truck. Python is like a comfortable family car. It's easy to learn, user-friendly, and gets you where you need to go. C++ and Java are more like race cars and trucks. They're powerful and fast, but require more skill and knowledge to handle. Just like you wouldn't start learning to drive in a race car, starting with Python is a smooth ride into the world of programming. This essay explores the exciting world of programming languages, focusing on the beginner-friendly Python. We'll see how Python, like a reliable family car, is perfect for beginners. We'll also compare it to more complex languages like C++ and Java, highlighting what makes each unique. So, buckle up and get ready to discover the exciting world of programming languages. Python is known for its simplicity and readability. It's like a car with an automatic transmission, making it easy to drive and maneuver. You don't need to worry about the complexities of manual gears. Python handles a lot of the technical details for you, allowing you to focus on the logic of your code. This makes it an ideal choice for beginners who are new to programming concepts. One of Python's key strengths is its clear syntax, which is designed to be easily understood. It's like reading a well-written book, with each line of code flowing naturally into the next. This readability makes it easier to write, debug, and maintain code. Beginners can quickly grasp the fundamentals and start building their own programs. It's like learning to drive in a spacious, comfortable car where everything is within reach. But don't let Python's simplicity fool you. It's a powerful language under the hood. Like a family car that can handle different road conditions, Python is versatile. It can be used for a wide range of applications. Whether you're interested in web development, data science, or machine learning, Python has the tools and libraries to support your journey. It's a reliable and adaptable language that can grow with your skills as you explore the vast landscape of programming. Python's versatility is evident in its real-world applications. It's like a family car that's just as comfortable on a cross-country road trip as it is for daily commutes. In the gaming industry, Python is used to develop games and create interactive experiences. Its simple syntax and powerful libraries make it easier for developers to bring their creative visions to life. Beyond gaming, Python plays a crucial role in the world of science. Scientists and researchers use Python for data analysis, visualization, and complex computations. Its ability to handle large data sets and perform statistical analysis makes it an invaluable tool for scientific discovery. Python is like a reliable research assistant, helping scientists uncover hidden patterns and insights from mountains of data. Python's reach extends far beyond these examples. It's used in web development, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and countless other domains. Its adaptability and ease of use have made it one of the most popular programming languages worldwide. Just like a family car that can navigate city streets and winding country roads, Python can tackle a diverse range of programming challenges. Section 4: C++ and Java, the race cars and trucks. While Python is the accessible family car of programming languages, C++ and Java are more like the high-performance vehicles in the programming world. C++ is like a powerful race car, built for speed and efficiency. It gives developers fine-grained control over system hardware and memory management. This control allows for the creation of highly optimized software, like operating systems and game engines. Java, on the other hand, is like a sturdy truck. It's known for its platform independence, meaning Java programs can run on any device with a Java virtual machine. This write once, run anywhere capability makes Java suitable for developing cross-platform applications. Just like a truck can transport goods across different terrains, Java can run seamlessly on various operating systems. However, this power and flexibility come at a cost. Both C++ and Java have steeper learning curves compared to Python. They require a deeper understanding of programming concepts, memory management, and computer science principles. Just as driving a race car or operating a truck demands specialized skills, mastering C++ or Java requires more time and effort. Section 5: The Learning Curve, Easy Entry versus Advanced Engineering. The difference in learning curves between Python, C++, and Java is significant. Python's gentle learning curve is like starting with a driving instructor in a calm neighborhood. It eases beginners into the world of programming with its intuitive syntax and forgiving nature. You can focus on the fundamentals of programming without getting bogged down by complex syntax or low-level details. C++ and Java, however, are more like learning to drive on a racetrack or a challenging off-road course. They require a higher level of precision and understanding. While challenging, mastering these languages can be highly rewarding. It's akin to the satisfaction of maneuvering a race car through a tight corner or navigating a truck through rough terrain. The choice of which language to learn depends on your goals and learning style. If you're new to programming and want an easy entry point, Python is an excellent choice. If you're up for a challenge and want to delve into the depths of system-level programming, C++ or Java might be the right fit. Section 6. Conclusion: Python for the open road. In the diverse landscape of programming languages, Python stands out as an accessible and versatile option for beginners. Like a reliable family car, Python offers a comfortable and enjoyable learning experience. Its simple syntax, readability, and vast community support make it an ideal choice for those taking their first steps into the world of programming. While C++ and Java offer power and flexibility, their steeper learning curves can be daunting for newcomers. Python's gentle learning curve allows beginners to grasp fundamental programming concepts without feeling overwhelmed. It's like learning to drive in a safe and controlled environment before hitting the open road. So, if you're ready to embark on your programming adventure, Python is an excellent starting point. Its ease of use, versatility, and wide range of applications make it a valuable skill in today's technology-driven world. Like a trusty family car, Python can take you on countless programming adventures, opening up a world of possibilities.